Oregano is one of the most popular perennial herbs to grow in any herb garden. Most are familiar with using it to flavor foods like pizza and pasta sauce. In fact, U.S. soldiers returning home after the Second World War brought back a fondness for what they called the pizza herb with them. As such, a popular herb with an incredible variety of uses, it's really a must to grow in your garden. If you haven't planted it yet, consider these reasons for getting inspired to do so. 1. Oregano is a great pest repellent. The strong scent of oregano confuses pests who are sniffing out your crops, which is why it's such a good idea to plant it near your vegetable garden and under any fruit trees. You can also use oregano oil as a natural bug spray for your household plants. Just add a few drops to a spray bottle with water and spray your plants with a light misting. It's very good for keeping aphids away. 2. Strengthen your immune system. Oregano is loaded with antioxidants. In fact, according to renowned physician Dr. Mercola, it has one of the highest antioxidant activity ratings out there, packing 42 times the antioxidant punch as apples. One of the active agents in oregano is rosmarinic acid, a potent antioxidant that may help strengthen your immune system so that you can better fight off illnesses like a cold, flu, and a host of diseases. 3. Oregano offers the forgotten vitamin, vitamin K. Oregano is a rich, natural source of vitamin K, an important vitamin that is often overlooked. Sometimes called the forgotten vitamin, it's best known for its key role in blood clotting, but it's also essential for preventing heart disease, building strong bones, and an important part of many other processes in the body. 4. Oregano provides antibacterial and antifungal properties. The reason oregano oil is sold in so many health food and specialty shops is that it offers powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. That's because it contains thymol and carvacrol, two oils known for their remarkable ability to fight bacteria and possibly even kill the foodborne pathogen Listeria, as well as the superbug MRSA, according to research. 5. Oregano is anti-inflammatory. Following an anti-inflammatory diet can be a great way to achieve optimal health and fight the pain of a number of different inflammatory-related conditions, such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. And oregano contains a substance called beta-caryophyllin, which is known to inhibit inflammation. It's also thought to be beneficial for health conditions like metabolic syndrome, osteoporosis, and arteriosclerosis. 6. Relieves cold and flu symptoms. Using oregano when you have a cold, the flu, or a respiratory infection can help bring relief. It's been scientifically shown to be effective, and traditional healers since ancient times have used oregano extracts to treat respiratory problems like coughs, colds, flu, sore throats, and even bronchitis. Simply mix several drops of oregano oil into a carrier oil like almond or olive oil and rub it onto your chest. You can also boil it in water or add it to a vaporizer and inhale the steam.